Thinking about using tretinoin? Wait, these are the few things you should know about it before you start applying it. Tretinoin is great for acne, wrinkles, and dark spots. It boosts collagen and speed up the skin renewal time for that smooth and glass-like skin. It works by increasing cell turnover, and it is the one of the most powerful anti-aging component as well. Tretinoin is a great for the people who has persistent acne, dark spots, wrinkles, fine lines, and hyperpigmentations. But it's not for everyone. If you are pregnant and breastfeeding, skip it. If you have sensitive skin and don't use sunscreen on daily basis, then you should think twice because it may cause serious irritations and sunburns. For pregnant and breastfeeding ladies, this is a vitamin A derivative which may pose risks. And the people who are not fan of sunscreen, Tretinoin makes your skin more sun sensitive. It may cause irritation, sunburns, and you may end up with the worst hyperpigmentation instead of improving your skin barrier. Talking about the side effect, you may feel redness, peeling, and dryness, but that's normal. Start with 2 to 3 times a week, then you can increase according to your skin sensitivity. Remember, after cleansing, wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes, let your skin completely dry, and then apply. And this much amount is more than enough. People who face more irritation can use sandwich method. So let me tell you what is sandwich method. When people have more dry or sensitive skin, they cannot apply the active ingredients directly on the face. At that time, you can apply moisturizer first, then apply the active ingredient, and again you apply the moisturizer. That's we call sandwich method. The most commonly asked question, can we use other active ingredients with tretinoin? And the answer is yes, you can use some of the active ingredients with tretinoin, but not all of them. Like to boost your results, you can use hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides and ceramides with tretinoin. But if you are using benzoyl peroxide, AHs and BHs like glycolic acid, salicylic acid and lactic acid, stop it. Because too much of exfoliation can cause serious irritations. Also, vitamin C, it can increase your skin sensitivity. So you can apply it alternate nights, or you can use vitamin C in the morning and tretinoids in the night. Do you know the fact in countries like US, Canada and UK, you need prescription to get tretinoin, but in India, you can get it on any drugstore. But before using it, consult with your skin specialist. Though tretinoin is a powerful, it's not a magic overnight fix. It takes patience and consistency. Start slow, protect your skin with moisturizer and SPF. Also, trust the process. Within a few months, you will see a smoother and clearer skin. I'm saying months, not days. It will take not a month, it may take several months to get the result. So be patient. As a cosmetologist, I got tons of questions about retinoid, like who should use it, who should avoid it, how you can get best result out of it. So I tried to cover all the topics in this video. But if you are still unsure or struggling about retinoid, so drop me a question in the comments below and I'll try to answer them all. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye bye.